Hey, what's up guys, it's Josh or Fusion here, and before today's video starts, I want to let you guys know that I have a new song coming out on September 22 called Money Up. Today is my birthday, September 13, so it would be an amazing birthday gift if you guys could go pre-save my new song on Spotify. I'm gonna have the link in the comments and also in the description, guys. Here's a little preview. I think you guys are really gonna like it.
Let me show you how to spot a snake up in the line. Get your money up, 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 up. Get your money up, 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 up. Get your money up, 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 up. Get your
Like I said, the song releases on September 22, and this is the first song that I've dropped all year on all platforms. Anyways, let's get into the video, and thank you guys so much. Hey, what's up guys, it's Josh or Fusion here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Minecraft Java Edition with your friends for completely free. Now this is kind of an updated video from my last video that was the easiest way to play modded Minecraft with your friends, and in that video I showed you guys how to make a free Minecraft server so that you and your friends could play modded Minecraft on Java Edition for completely free. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's going to be in the card in the top right, so you guys should definitely go check that out. But today I'm going to be showing you guys something that is even better than having a free Minecraft server. What if I were to tell you guys that there's a Minecraft mod that lets you join your friends so you don't even need to have a server anymore to play Minecraft Java Edition with your friends? Alright, now that we're on the CurseForge website, if you guys don't know, this is where you get all your Minecraft mods, and also in the last video I used the CurseForge launcher, so I'm going to be using that in today's video. I just think it's the easiest way to get Minecraft mods. If you guys don't know how to use the CurseForge launcher, I covered it in that last video. Once again, it's going to be in the top right card. But guys, let's read a little bit about this essential mod. Play together without a server for free. That's what I'm talking about, guys. You can join each other without a server. In-game messenger across worlds and servers. Take, edit, and share screenshots easily. Customize your character with freed plus paid cosmetics. So just like in Minecraft Bedrock Edition where you can build your own custom skin, you can get that same feature on Minecraft Java Edition and be able to build your own custom character on Minecraft. In-game account manager, and more. And they're always updating Essentials, so it's on the latest version of Minecraft. So now I'm going to show you guys how to install the mod. The first step is you guys want to figure out what game version that you want. Once you and your friends know what Minecraft version you're going to use, you guys just want to come down to the game versions, and you can see it always has the latest version up here at the top. So let's click 1.20.1, and now right here at the top it says Essential 1.2.2 Forge 1.20.1. So now you guys just want to click the three dots on the right of the mod once you found the right version, and then click Install with CurseForge app. This is going to bring up a pop-up on the top of your browser that says Open CurseForge. You guys just want to click Open CurseForge. It's now going to ask you where you want to install the Essential mod to. If you guys already have a profile with this Minecraft version, you guys can click Select Profile, and then click the profile that you have. If you guys don't already have a profile that you can use, you can click on Create New Profile, and it will create a Minecraft profile on the version that supports the mod. You just have to give it a name and then click create. But for the tutorial, I'm going to use the profile I already have, which is my building 1.20.1 profile. Once you've selected your profile, once you've selected the profile you want to install the mod on, then you just want to click this orange install button. Now if I move my face out of the way, you guys can see that my building 1.20.1 profile has the Essential mod on it. So now I'm going to start up my Minecraft and show you guys how to set up your Essential and how to join your friends using the mod. If the video is so far helping you guys, make sure you guys drop a like on the video as well as subscribe to Fusion here for more awesome tutorials like this one. So now we're just going to hop into the game. You want to click on the orange play button, and this is going to open up the Minecraft launcher with the mods already in it. So now that the Minecraft launcher is open, you just want to click the green play button, and it's going to say that the version you're playing is modified. You just want to click I understand the risks, and then click the green play button. And guys, I just want to make it clear, I feel like sometimes whenever people think of modded Minecraft, they think of like Crazy Craft with like 300 mods. Just because you're playing a modded version of Minecraft doesn't mean that you have to have a bunch of mods. You can literally just have one mod on your game like this Essential mod, and all it does is let you play with your friends for free, and you don't have to pay for a server. Alright, our Minecraft is now launched up, and I bet you guys can tell that it already looks different. First off, we have a tab in the top right that says Essential, and if we click on this, it just brings us into some information about Essential. Up in the top left, which my webcam is covering, says my username, and if I click on here, it looks like I can add a second Minecraft account and be able to switch to it really easily. We also have a new wardrobe tab in the bottom left, and when we come in here, it looks like this is our Minecraft skin customizer. We can put on different hats and capes, this cape is actually free. So it looks like you can get free capes using the Essential mod, as well as emotes. So yeah, pretty much everything the Minecraft Bedrock Edition has. And we also have a social tab. This is what we're going to be able to use to join our friends and have our friends join our worlds. You guys can see that we have a new host world button. If we click on this, it says we have no worlds because I don't have any worlds on this account yet. So I'm going to create a new single player Minecraft world, and then I'm going to have my cousin Mitchell join my world to show you guys that this mod works and that we can play together just like normal Minecraft servers for completely free by using this amazing mod. So let's hop into single player. I'm just going to make a new world, call it New World Test, and let's create the new world. And by the way guys, one more thing before we jump into the game, you and all your friends need to do the same process. So in order for your friends to join you and vice versa, for you to join them, you all need to have the Essential mod downloaded. So make sure you guys send this video to your friends so they know how to do this as well, and now you guys can play Minecraft Java Edition together for free without a server. Alright guys, so Mitchell's launching his Minecraft now. Alright guys, now that you've added your friends on Essential, to get them into your single player world, all you guys are going to want to do is come over to this invite button on the right hand side, and it's going to come up with some basic world settings. It's just basically going to ask you survival, creative, the difficulty, if you want to have cheats on, and also if you want to share your texture pack with your friends or not. Once you guys have configured these settings to your liking, you just want to click on this blue next button, and now you guys can see that my friends list on Essential pops up. It says the Glide Riot is online. I'm just going to click this plus invite button, and now it says invite sent to Glide Riot in the bottom right. Yep, you just want to click on it, and it should join you into my world. Yo, are you actually in?
Yo, I'm up here.
Let's go. Yo, so this actually makes it so we can just play multiplayer Minecraft on our single player worlds now, dude. There's no way. Do you like my hat, by the way? You can customize your skin with the Essential mod.
So this is Java Edition, right? So this kind of just makes it like Bedrock.
Bedrock Edition, you can make custom skins. Like that was the video I made before on how to make custom skins on Minecraft. Yeah. On Java, you can only like upload custom already made skins.
Well, that's one cool thing, but the main point of this mod is so you don't have to buy a server for the Java Edition, right?
Yeah.
Instead of creating a server, you can like join your friends' Java Edition worlds and maybe, you know, play modded worlds without paying or hosting a server. And it runs really smooth. Like I'm not lagging at all. It's actually crazy.
When I press tab, it even comes up like a normal Minecraft server would, showing all the players online in the world.
Do you have to be on for me to be able to join?
Yes.
Okay, that's one difference.
So this is pretty much making it kind of like the console versions of Minecraft where I can just send you a game invite and you can join my world.
Okay, I see.
It's not like this world is just going to be joinable 24/7.
So that's like the only difference between this and a server.
Yeah, that's why every time you are on and you choose to invite friends, it makes you like click, yes, I want to host my world online. Alright guys, so that's how you do it. That's how you play Minecraft with your friends on Minecraft Java Edition for completely free. Anyways, on that note, if you guys could please pre-save my new song, Money Up, coming out on September 22, that'd be an amazing birthday gift. What do you guys think of this Essential mod that lets you join your friends on Minecraft Java Edition without needing a server at all? I think this is actually a game changer. For years, me and my friends have had to make servers to be able to play with each other, and now finally there's a way for us to just download a mod or put it into our mod pack that we already have and join each other and play like a server would. So yeah guys, let me know what you think about this Essential mod. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys drop a big fat like on it, and also drop a comment down below letting me know that the video helped you out, and as well as subscribe to Fusion here for more amazing tutorials like this in the future. I really take my time on these tutorials for you guys, and anyways guys, this has been Josh or Fusion here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.